In today's video, I show you guys how to properly download PC games overnight in 2026. Go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store and search Power Toys. Select the Microsoft Power Toys and select the install option. Once installation done, open the Microsoft Power Toy. In search for settings, type Awake. Select the Awake settings and turn on this Awake option over here. Mode, set this to keep awake indefinitely and keep screen on, set this to off. This prevents sleep while allowing downloads. Now you can just close it off here. The awake will running in the background as you can see. Now you can open the Steam. You can start the downloads. Select the install option and start the download. Don't close the Steam, just minimize this. And if you are in PC, you can use the monitor button to turn off the screen. In morning, you need to turn on the monitor screen using the monitor button. Then go to search and type Power Toy. Click on open the application and in search type awake. Select the awake and turn off the awake. This let PC return to normal sleep behavior. Now you can just close it off here and use the PC normally. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.